Today, I would like to show you 10 different tricks on a Samsung Galaxy phone that you may not know. Please subscribe my channel and share this video. And thank you for everyone who supports this channel. And I will try my best to create more videos on this channel. Okay, please stay tuned. There's vlogging, there's travel vlog, there's tricks and tips. There's a lot of different videos on this channel, making it even more exciting. Okay, so today I'm going to show you 10 different tricks that you may not know, and let's start it. So let's just say every time when you go on a little text or even a text message, okay, whatever the text message is, okay, message, okay. And then every time when you have a keyboard, did you know that you can hold this and you can actually start talking? And when you finish, you just let it go and that's it. So I'm going to show it to you. Did you know this is a great way to actually start texting? And then when you finish, you just let it go. This is a good way to do this is because when you press this button here doesn't know when to stop or when they should stop. Sometimes they stop at the wrong time when you try to continue speaking and then they actually already stop. Or when you actually stop speaking but they still on and then they just listening what you're actually talking. So, and you don't want them to be on there, but because this is on, then whatever you were talking, it was pop up right there, which you don't want. So here you can control anything you want. The second trick is, did you know that you can actually hold this and then this become a cursor? You see that? This become a cursor. And this is the best way if you have a fat finger like this. How do I do this? Make sure that you go to the setting and then you go to swipe touch, okay? Swipe touch feedback. And then right there you can see touch and hold space bar. And then you can actually do a cursor control. You don't need this because it's already at the bottom as you can see. Okay, let me do it again. It will be at the bottom right there, so you don't need a voice control, or I just show you this first trick. You can press this to do texting like this. So this cursor here is actually very, very useful if you are type something wrong and things like that. This is the first two tricks you might want to know on your Samsung Galaxy phone. Did you know on a Google message, anytime when you're ready to start a conversation, you can actually press the start button right there. They will actually create an initial text for you. Okay, so let's just say you haven't talked to this person for so long. When you press this button right there, this AI will generate something for you. Okay, let's just say I'm going to be type this and then press that. Okay, and now I'm going to say something else right here. On the AI on the other phone, you can actually generate anything you want. Okay, so I'm fine, thank you. And then right here you can see I can type this right here and then it will generate another form of text easily. Okay, super easy, super simple. This is actually AI basically typing for you. You don't have to do anything and then that's it. Cool, cool, cool. I don't know. Okay, and then you can say, I don't know. Let's catch up soon. Okay, and then press enter. You can see it's so fast. And on the AI right there, you can see they actually already prepare kind of like a shortcut for you. You say sure. And then right here, you can see the AI will say, okay, sounds good. I'll be waiting for you on my way. Good. I will be free on any time and press enter. Super simple, easy on AI. You can see this and you can see this. Okay, number 4. This is actually Samsung message. Previously, it's a Google message. Right now, this is a Samsung message. Did you know anytime when you have a link like this, you can actually press and hold and grab. Now you can actually make it a split screen. You can see this. And you let it go. Now, whatever this link, you can pull it out and it will become right there. Super simple and easy. Okay, so you will not lose this text. At the same time, you can actually do a split screen just like that. Super simple, easy, and the text is still right there. Number 5, we're going to talk about the setting here, okay? The display color. Did you know that you can actually set up the display color on here? if you go to the setting, and then now we're going to go to the display right there. Did you know that you can actually set up whatever the color you want? So right here you can see it's called screen mode. Okay, and then you can actually depends whatever you like, and then you can see it just suddenly brightening up everything. You can make it super yellow, okay, as you can see, or you can make it super blue, whatever you want. Okay, and then you can control the red, you can control the green, and then you can control the blue, whatever you want. Okay, and then when you're done, you can see my phone right now is completely changed. Did you know that on your next trick is, let's just say this is a message, right? If you hold this, there's a lot of different other message right there. If this person you text them the most, did you know that you can hold it and then grab it? Now this one will become your text. Super simple, easy. Let's just say if I go here, okay, and I hold it, you can see create contact, search, missed call. Let's just say I create contact most of the time. You can just grab it and pull it out, and that's it. Now you don't need this, you just need this, and that's it. Any type of widget that you want, maybe like a Google app or a Samsung app, they do have some type of like a widget. You can just press it out, and then that's it. Now you don't need music. You just, if you every time when you play music, just tap that, and that's it. Super simple and easy. Have you ever had this experience before? When you press volume up, go up, go up, go up, or go down, it jumped too much or it jumped too fast. Did you realize that? Because you didn't do the setting, you didn't set up the setting properly. So how do you make that a little bit slower when you go up or a little bit slower when you go down? You just need to go to good lock. Okay, you can set that up. And now we go to the sound. Okay, the sound right there, sound assistant. You go all the way down here, you can see there's like this thing called change step volume. If you go all the way down here, initially it was 10. So every time when I press one volume up, it would jump 10 times. If I go up, it will jump 10 times, which I don't want, because I want like maybe a little bit one by one. So you want to do one by one or two, you just go all the way down to here. So every time when I press this, it will jump 2. When it go down, volume down, it will just lower it down 2 level and 2 level and 2 level. Very easy and very useful. Sometimes when you hook up to your Bluetooth, let's just say a little bit older cars, sometimes the Bluetooth will have a little delay compared to the screen on your phone. Okay, so let's just say you have a video, the sound it actually have a little bit delayed. Did you have that happen before? Because I have an older car, it happened to my car. So how do you fix that? You go to the same good lock and you go to the sound assistant. Right at the bottom here, you can actually try to play your Bluetooth settings. You go in here, okay, and you just need to match the sound whenever they tell you the sound. Okay, you can hear that. Okay, and then you just need to match the sound. If the sound is like a little bit delayed, you just push this, and then that's it. Super simple and easy. But meanwhile, if you're setting this up, make sure you connect to a Bluetooth, or else this one doesn't move at all. Okay, so this is One UI 6.1.1, a brand new features. Let's just say this is a video that I record for my girlfriend. If you want the slow mode, you can hold this. Now it become a slow mode. You can see that, right? And now let's just say that little clip you want to save it, you just press here, okay? And now whatever that little session that you want to slow mo is already saved in here. So now when you actually go back, your slow mo will be saved inside the gallery right there. Should be somewhere right there. Okay, you can see that it's already slowed down. Very cool, very simple. Did you know the very last one I'm going to show you? If you go to the setting and now you go to the search here, system sound, okay? System sound. And now if you go to the system sound right here, did you know that you can change the system sound right here? Galaxy, Calm, fun ritual. So anytime when you plug or you want to do a volume down or you want to do a tap, everything, there is a little sound right there. Okay, and make sure when you go to the volume, press the 3 button here. Make sure some of them you want to turn on, you turn it on. Some of them you will turn off, you turn it off. The system sound or the notifications, okay? So make sure that whatever you want to turn on, make sure you turn on or else just turn it off. So I love the system sound, but I don't like the notification. I turn that off and I want to be volume down, whatever you want, okay? Please subscribe my channel and share this video, and I hope these 10 neat features you will use them, okay? Thank you very much. Have a nice day. Bye bye. Peace out.